can say change the Hamotzi blessing for Mesonot blessing.
Okay, so let me repeat the question. So we have the question. It's a very strange question. So he started with eating bread. So a person, I mean, it's possible. The answer is yes. So a person started eating bread, and he was intended to eat, let's say, kizais, this 1 ounce, this 28 grams, right? And he went wash his hands, say hamotzi on the bread, start eating, and then he decided not to eat. Whatever the bread was stale, whatever happened, decided not to eat bread, and he ate cake instead, right? Cake, so or some cookies or stuff like that. So you can. Maybe it's not a good example. Or he ate spaghetti instead, right? Pasta instead. So in this case, yeah, this weight of this bread can be added to the pasta, and you would say miam shalosh, meaning al Hamichyah, miam shalosh, al Hamichyah, the same thing for mizones products. Yes. So in this case, since you did not eat enough bread, but you say other mizones products that not from the bread family, yeah, you would say mizones, yeah. After the fact. What else? Question number 2.
Okay, number 2 was Israel Elisha asked a question earlier about like if you could make mizonis on bread. I don't know. I had a hard time understanding that. I was wondering if you could like explain it in a very simple way.
Okay, so this question, so in simple way, it was hypothetical. Because bread is bread, basically. But he asked me if it's possible under any circle. Yeah, it's possible if he did not eat enough bread, right? So you're not allowed to say Birchas Hamazon. Birchas Hamazon as a prayer after you finish food. You must eat it like with bread, with any other food. Minimum amount for solid foods is 1 kizais, is 1 ounce, 28 grams. Period. Right, it doesn't matter. You eat bread or you eat cherries. Okay, even first. Okay, or you eat potatoes. That doesn't matter. So if you ate less than kizai, so simply you don't say blessing. Period. You understand? So if person ate bread, did he eat bread? Yes. The fact is he ate bread. So is it any circumstances under which he would need to eat to say mizoines? So this mizoines is not going to be on the bread, right? It's actually because of, in my example, he ate pasta, right? So he's doing blessing on a pasta, but of course pasta includes in itself bread also, so it covers. But it's only after the fact. It's like a hypothetical case. It's not very practical. I mean, it's practical, but not so much. Okay.
Rabbi.
Go ahead.
It's regarding that same question. I think I remember you saying that in the class, and I mean, you don't mind if I say the source?
Go ahead.
It's I'm reading it here in Siman in the Kitzur in Siman 44, say 5. It says even if one ate only a kazanis of bread, you must recite because Amazon. And then if you read the commentaries, it says if you ate less than a kazanis, you still have to wash your hands, but you don't have to do the after blessing. And I remember you also saying that in after class too.
But what is the contradiction? So I didn't get your point. Okay, no, everything that you said is correct. That's what we said. But what is the point? Please explain. A second. Yeah, go ahead.
No, I was just never mind. I just found the story because I was like, oh, I think I remember you saying this in a class, and I was like, oh.
Okay. Yes, but it's not exactly the same. He's asking. He ate bread, and it looks like he meant to say Birchas Hamazon, but then decided to eat less. That's I mean, if whatever you said, it's initially. So if a person wants to eat only small amount of bread, right? Or in another example I give in the class. So some member of my family said, "I'm not going to eat this matzah. That's it. You're not. Nobody going to make you to eat matzah." Okay, no problem. Me personally, I eat matzah. I have a problem to stop eating matzah. It's so delicious. So we actually, my wife actually finished this matzah, and it's so delicious you cannot stop eating. That's a different story. right? So that person said, I'm not going to eat it. That's it. So she ate only small amount of matzah, and this small amount of matzah, under no opinion, is going to cover the whole meal. So she had to say the blessing on the salad, on vegetables, on fish, this and that, all of the separate blessings. Like almost there was no matzah or bread. You understand? Yeah, but very good with the source. HaShem.